Hello, my dear students. As you know, JEE Jan session is on the way. So I am planning to take classes as a revision classes for all the important topics of first year and second year. I am planning to begin with ray optics, where concepts and problems related with that will be discussed, and you also have the liberty to comment in, and if you want any specific topics, you can also write that in the comment box. I'll try to explain the concept and related problems which may be of some use to you in your preparation journey. So you can tell about your difficulties you are facing. That I also have a WhatsApp group which I have started recently, where you can join and you can post your doubts also if you wish to. So let us begin with this ray optics. To begin with, we are going to discuss about mirror equation. Mirror equation in ray optics. So mirror equation we basically write for concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirror looks like this. So here this side will be hatch. This is the silvered part, where you suppose you place an object this side, a real object this side. If light rays are coming like this, they will be absorbed this side. Only if you place the object this side, you can form some images. Okay, so if you place the real object this side, so this is the reflecting surface. The other side you cannot place a real object. And convex will be like this. So convex, this silvering will be inside, so you can place the real object this side. So we have some calculations to make here, and I'm going to tell you, there are the basic mirror equation is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So U is object distance, V is image distance, F is focal length. F is focal length. So there is a sign convention for this. Let me explain you what is the sign convention we follow while solving the problems. The sign convention is very simple. You take any mirror. Let us say we will take a concave mirror, and I place the object here. This point is called P, which is pole. All distances are measured from the pole. So suppose if you place the object here, so from the pole object is at a U distance. Let us say the image is formed here. So from the pole image is at V distance. So you have to see it this way. Light rays from the object are coming in this direction, and you are doing the measurement in the opposite direction of the light. So you should write U as negative. Okay, the funda is, if you are making measurements in the direction of the light rays, you should consider it as a positive quantity. If you are considering in the opposite direction, you should consider it as negative quantity. Similarly, V also will be a negative quantity. Focal length. If the curvature is like this, its center will be somewhere this side. So the radius will be measured from the pole in this direction. So radius is negative, and you know that focal length is related with the radius by f is equal to r divided by 2. So r is negative, so focal length also has to be negative. So this is the sign convention we will follow for concave mirror. Now let me explain you the sign convention for convex mirror. So suppose you take a convex mirror. I place the object here. Let us say the image is found on the side. So the measurements will be made from the pole. This is my u, this is my v. Because the radius is in this direction, focal length also will be in this direction. So this is the direction of light rays which are coming towards the mirror. In that situation, u will be negative. My dear students, u will be always negative in your calculations. You can remember it this way. It is always negative in your calculations. Okay. V keeps changing. So in this scenario, V is positive because it is in the direction of the light movement, and F also will be positive quantity while making calculations using a convex mirror. So my dear students, based on what we have learned just now, let us see a numerical based on that. So in this problem, he is talking about a convex mirror. Okay, he is talking about a convex mirror, and object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeters from the convex mirror. Obviously, you cannot place the object here, like I told previously, because that side silvering is done, and the object, whatever light rays comes, the mirror will absorb them. So only you can place the object on this side. Now here there is one more concept, that this side you can keep a virtual image. That's not a problem, but you cannot put a real object. So that is also one more concept which is a takeaway for you. Now, as we know that u will be negative for u is always negative. So u is equal to minus 20. We don't know v. F, because it is a convex mirror, F you have to consider it as positive because it is in the direction of the light rays. So it will be 10. So now just use the equation. So 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by F. So upon simplification, so we can write it as 1 by v plus 1 by minus 20 is equal to 1 by 10, which simplifies to 1 by v is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20. So 20 is the LCM. This 10 twos are and 20 ones are. So this is coming 3 by 20. So V will be equal to 20 by 3 centimeters. Now V is coming positive. That is, it is on the other side of the mirror. So if I just schematically if I draw, V is equal to 20 by 3. Okay, it is on the other side. So what happens is, you must know one concept here, that convex mirror is a diverging mirror. So the light rays which are coming like this actually will go like this, and they, when they are extended backwards with the help of these dotted lines, you get the image. The image which forms due to dotted lines is called virtual image. Okay, image which is formed by continuous lines is a, it's a concept actually. The image which is formed by continuous lines it is called real image. The image which is found by dotted lines, that is called virtual image. So which option do you think should be the right answer? Virtual and 20 by 3 centimeter from the mirror. Mirror here means pole. Remaining options are wrong. So this option is the correct answer. Let us see one more example. Now this time I have chosen a concave mirror. So concave mirror will look like this. Okay. So this is the silvered portion. You are placing the object here. It is 10 centimeter in front of the pole. So here also you can't place the object this side. Real object cannot be placed that side. You have to place the object only on the side of the shining portion, reflecting portion. So the radius of curvature is given as 15 centimeters. Radius will be this side. So you have to count it as negative because light rays are going like this. There is a relation between focal length and radius, which is given by f is equal to r by 2, which is minus 15 by 2. The object was placed at 10 centimeters. I told that you always take u as negative. You'll never make a mistake. And now you just perform the calculation and let us find out what is the value of v. So just put it in the mirror equation. 1 by v plus this equation, 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, should be always written with proper sign. These are just not just numbers, but these are kind of quantities which are defined by a proper sign. So 1 by v plus 1 by minus 10 is equal to 1 by minus 15 by 2. So if you simplify this, we will get 1 by v is equal to 1 by 10 minus 2 by 15. The LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. So 10 threes are 15 twos are 2 twos are 4. It is coming minus 1 by 30. That means v is coming minus 30. What does this minus indicate? Minus is indicating that the image is formed in this side only, like this. Okay, so this is your 30 centimeters. This is your 30 actually. That is the meaning of minus. So you can straight away eliminate option 2, option 3, option 4. So v is equal to 30. Okay, now he is asking you about the magnification. There is one more term here, m. Now magnification is defined as, the definition of magnification is, right, the definition of magnification is hi by ho. That means if you are placing one object here, this dimension is height of the object. Let us say it is forming image here. This dimension is called hi. So if it is above x-axis, you will count this as positive. If it is below x-axis like this, it's like your Cartesian system. Okay, so this is your x, this is your y. This y is positive, this y is negative. So you have to count this as negative. So this is the definition actually. So when you get this as positive and h of sorry, if you can take hi here, in this case is negative, right? And h of o is positive, that means you're getting a negative quantity. This negative quantity always represents inverted images. The object was inverted. Also there is one more formula to calculate this m, which is minus of v by u. V means image distance, u means object distance. If final quantity is coming as negative, you can say that the image was inverted. If m is coming positive, if m is coming positive, that means object was like this and image also like this. This is called erect. In our case, we are getting minus v we got minus 30, and object distance was minus 10. So it is coming, this minus minus gone, it is coming minus 3. So 3 is the amount of magnification, minus indicates it was a um, inverted image. Okay, so it is inverted, it is inverted, and it is real. Why it is real means, here the image is formed on this side of the mirror, so the light rays are going like this, and the light rays are forming images here. Okay, there are some rules for forming images. You can see these are continuous lines. Continuous lines means the image is real. Dotted line means the image is virtual. So with this, I'm kind of concluding this video. My dear students, you can go to that comment section. If you find this video useful, you subscribe my channel, and you can comment here. If you want any particular concept to be discussed along with problems, this channel is dedicated for the welfare of the students. Okay, so you can post it there, and in my free time I'll try to make a video on that and answer your query. I also have a WhatsApp group, and I'm going to share you that in my description. You can go through that, you can join there. I'm trying to build a student community which is primarily physics focused, so you can join there. I'll take up your doubts, and any good concepts or good problems, I'll try to make a video and post it. In the future, I'm also planning to go for live classes where students can join, and we can have discussion on a topic along with some problems, so that you are actually benefited while you are writing the JEE mains exam. Okay, so this is what is my intention, and I hope you will support me on this mission. And thank you very much for your time, and if you like the video, please like, subscribe my channel. With this, I'm concluding this. I'll soon come up with another concept along with some problems which will explain that particular concept. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.